today. Just got done installing the liner. There's the city. It's a pretty fun one. Overshot it a little bit, so went back and cut it out. So that's cut out. So that's done. It's all 6-inch. It was cast iron that needed to be lined. So there's no running water, so that's all the leftover liner that was getting ground out. So no big deal there. We'll pull back. Cast iron's always a little ugly to line. We scraped it all out as good as we could, and it's just kind of the deal with cast. It is 80 feet of 6-inch line that we line. We used they had clean out in the backwater valve booted in a trench, so that's what we shot through. So we lapped our liner right onto the 6-inch PVC, because that first bit of cast was really bad. It was broken, so that's all repaired and mechanically locked to the PVC, and it's booted, so no doubt in my mind that this clean out's not going anywhere, and neither the liner, so it's a win-win. Pretty interesting. There was a lot of damage. I found more damage as I was scraping it out to prep it for the liner, so that's kind of the deal. And so there's where it flaps onto the PVC right there, and so that clean out's still good. I'll show you real quick. So that's the clean out access, and that's the start of the liner.